The Heavenly Father for this opportunity to see this early morning. May His name be highly exalted forever. My name is Brother Kappo said it. I came to deliver this message to you called unity of the spirit. Unity of the spirit. Unity of the spirit. When we talk about unity, we talk about to be in one accord. This is what Paul sees in Ephesians. When he was in prison, he wrote to them, even if you are doing everything in Christ, that you are not doing everything in one accord. Nothing is acceptable. When you look at the community we are today, there is disunity. Among families, there is disunity. Among mother and child, there is disunity. Children are no more listening to their parents. When you look at the community today, when you look at our politicians today, they will tell us one thing today, tomorrow they will do another thing, because there is no unity. This is one factor that Satan is using against humanity, that people will come together and they will agree to do this thing, and some people will go behind and disagree to that thing, and they first agree to it. I pray to you, the unity, that you will see trustworthy people, that they won't betray you. It will be implanted in you in the mighty name of Jesus. Paul wrote to them, to the Ephesians, that you have to be mindful of this. Love each other. Do everything in one unity. In one unity. In today's Christianity, Celestia is not doing with the Jehovah Witness. Jehovah Witness is not doing with Redeem, because we are not in unity. Sometimes when you want to go to other denominations, they will tell you can't enter into them. That is why Paul says in that Ephesians that there is only one baptist. There is only one God. There is only one Father. There is only one water. You be baptized one. You call this God one. So this God is never two. It is one. So let us do everything in unity. I pray for you as you go this morning. Everything you ask from the Father, because you are in unity with everybody, God will bestow it to you in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray for you that the unity that the Father will bestow to us, that will be able to love each other in one accord. He will bestow it to us in the mighty name of Jesus. In Acts 2:1, he said when the day of Pentecost was fully come, they were all with one accord in one place. If they were never in one accord, even the Spirit will not come in them. Some are even barren. Some family are barren today. They will be together. The father and the mother will be together. They can even sleep with themselves. But when you check them intimately, they are never in good accord. That is the problem why they are barren. And it is happening today like that. Just look for unity. Find unity. God is unity. I pray for you. With this unity, anything you lay your hand on will come to fruition in the mighty name of Jesus. In Jesus' name we pray.
Ẹ̀yin tó ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ omi ẹ̀jẹ̀.